Today we're really excited to announce the opening of our new distribution center in the San Luis area, as well as a customer service support team here. So we have a 50,000 square feet facility, brand new, that we just moved in to better support our customers in North America. And we have all parts and all goods inventory ready for same-day shipment.
About this month, a year ago, I was first introduced to Stefan Jordan there that you've talked to. Stefan and I coordinated things together to see what our opportunities were. We knew we had a presence here with KMC, having the underground warehouse here in Nashville, Illinois, with a third-party logistics company, Knott's. And we thought that would be a possibility because since about 80% of the business of Montabert is on the East Coast and in the Midwest, it was a not great opportunity for the logistically to put this in Nashville, Illinois.
You know, I'm fairly new to the team. I'm a new addition. I've been here for 2 months. But like I said, you know, for me, this is more like I'm a kicker coming in the last minute of a football game and just kind of punting it through the field goal for the win. So they did most of the work before I came on. I'm inheriting this fantastic facility, working for a first-class organization with a premium product in the market. So things are pretty good. But from what I understand, it was there were a lot of difficulties. This was a big challenge. It's only been about a year since they've been working towards this, and what they've been able to accomplish in that short amount of time is spectacular.